This video will demonstrate noise dosimeter model ASV5910 Plus. It can be used as a personal sound exposure meter, a noise statistical analyzer, a wave recorder. Its applications include occupational noise evaluation, sound level logging and precision wave recording. Let's give a quick look at available functions and how to use it step by step. Press the power on button at least 2 seconds to open the instrument. Firstly, we can set calendar clock of the instrument. Delay 10 seconds means the backlight shuts off automatically within 10 seconds if there's no operation on the instrument. Before start measurement, we can preset the ways of startup. It is recommended to set timing restart after setting timing pause, so that automatic measurement can be achieved. Recording function makes subjective evaluation of noise possible. This function is only available when TF card is configured. Insert the microphone into the hole of calibrator. Keep the instrument and calibrator connected tightly and solidly. Place the instrument flat on the shoulders with the microphone side near the ear, and clamp the close around the shoulders with mounting straps. Here is an example in the workshop that worker has a noise dosimeter installed on the shoulder. During the measurement, press up-down button can display the different parameters. The measurement events result are stored in the instrument. When enter the recall data, it will automatically scroll down to the last page. The highlighted folder is the default folder in which the current data is saved. Connect the instrument to the computer with USB cable. Choose the U-Disc mode. The computer will have a U-Disc prompt in 10 seconds or so. Also can insert the TF card to computer directly. It will be quicker to download many recording files.